Hey there Titans, in this video we'll talk about the get group by. Let's head over to our get integration, and we want to get the average amount of the opportunity. So let's take a look at our get here. We want to bring in all the results that we get, and we're going to select enable group by and set a group by the opportunity account ID. So we want to see the average amount of the opportunity by its account ID. And we're going to head over to the mapping and map our table. So we have the table amount. We want to set this to the aggregate. So we're going to go to FT aggregate, and we will say average on the amount of the opportunity, and this will say average amount, and we will apply. And one thing we forgot, let's map the account ID as well. So let's head over to the table account ID and map the account ID as well. Apply and finish. Save our form, publish this. And we ran the get as soon as on form load. So we ran our get, so we got all the results. Each opportunity average amount by its account ID.